Libra. This is your channel messages for the 19th of May. I was going to say 18. Libra, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Libra, yesterday, I feel a sonic blast. Yesterday I was outside doing it bo and shayo, doing it bo and shayo. What is happening in Lagos? Listen to me. You think that fucking Las Vegas is crazy? You think fucking New York is crazy? You should go to the city of Lagos. Talking about you have to join the elites to be sacrificed. Lagos will sacrifice your fuck if you use a banana seller on the fucking road. What is happening in Nigeria? Lagos, do we have to ask the international students to come over here so Lagos can have a break? What is happening in Nigeria? The burner boy. Anyways, I feel a sonic blast yesterday. No, what was that? Anyways, I'm getting something about your light pole. Here's what I get. I'm getting something about 5G frequency. I feel one blast yesterday and it felt like radiation. It felt like an earthquake, but it feel like radiation. I'm gonna ask a question. This is just a don't ban my content for miss fucking 5G advice YouTube. Every fucking time I try to tell my fucking viewers why the government is trying to cause them electromagnetic sickness so that them can take them fucking health card and run it for insurance fraud, you fucking block my content, YouTube technicians. Did you eat this morning? Because you might be a little cranky, YouTube technicians. That's why you keep blocking my fucking content. Anyways, is there something about me getting something about your light poles send frequencies to nearby homeowners and it make them sick, like cancer. Me getting throughout the day, this frequency is let out and it change. Me don't know if the frequency radioactive. Cause me hear a big, me feel a push yesterday, and me say this feel like G-force. It feel like me getting a sonic blast. That's what me did get first. Something about sonic. Alright. Yeah. Me getting something about you live near a tower or you live near this pole, this signal place, and me getting every day at a certain time, or me getting it Lego radiation. I don't know if people around the community get sick, cancer, like a microwave, like cancer. Because you know, a lot of microwave use is caused by a lot of, yeah, it's radiation. That's what it is. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Libra. Everybody talking about the long weekend. It's a long weekend. It's a long weekend. Which kind of long weekend? Shante fucking long? Wish long. Long week is a long week. Coming up on Chum Radio is the long weekend this morning. And listen to me. You guys can catch the fireworks this evening because it's going to be a long weekend. Wish long weekend. Shante fucking long. Wish long. Apparently it was Victoria Day. So all hail to the Queen. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. We have the Queen of Libra. Hi, this is your reading. No, this is not your dominating card, but it is the Queen of Swords. So I'm getting something about a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius woman, very intelligent woman. We have the 5 of Wands. She's getting a lot of 7 of Wands. So I'm getting a lot of heat. A lot of people are coming for you. Why? Bitch, if you want a burger, eat a burger. You want a fries? Bitch, eat a fries. Bitch, you want a burger? Eat a burger. Bitch, you want a fries? Eat a fries. Me getting a lot of people are coming for you. Maybe because of something where you say, or maybe you don't fuck with nobody. You come here for the job and get the fuck out. Okay, I understand where you're coming from, Libra, but your fans make you. Not the haters. When you have fans, Libra, you always support the ones who support you. You see, the haters are the one you ignore. The haters are the one you don't talk to. The haters are the one you tell for fuck off. That's why you tell the haters. Your fans know. Because in a room full of 1,000 people, you might have even 10 who like you. You show the 10 attention. The other 990 you ignore. So I'm getting a lot of people coming at you, Libra. I don't know what you say, I don't know what you do. We have to see, yeah, I'm getting somebody say you need to apologize. Libra is like, I ain't apologizing to that whole. You're saying no. When I'm getting the crowd, it's like you have to apologize, Libra. Maybe you took someone's getting a something. You took a hearsay. Somebody tell you something and you went off it. Sweetie, hearsay cannot bring you to court. It only can bring you on the Jerry Springer show. We have the 6 of Pentacles. We have 66. Yeah, you sell out. You take the bait. 66. Somebody came to you and said, hey, Libra, somebody hates you. Them don't like you. You know, they think this of you. They said this about you. Did you do research or did you just take it because you're so used to people always hating on you? The Emperor. Yeah. Maybe it's a big figure said this about you and you're like, look on little me. Why would you have this to say about me? I'm also getting something about Libra. I'm getting you was working for this man and the man give you instructions to follow and you say, I don't think it's a good idea and him still do it anyways. I'm getting no, the whole place I get, no. Some riot is happening in the place. I'm getting the people that want an apology. Not from you, from the Emperor. I'm getting the Emperor under heat because of what the Emperor told you to say. And you're saying, I'm not going to apologize for doing my job. You feel apologize for telling me to do it. I'm getting something like that. So Libra, I hope you're not. Do you use microwaves, Libra? You can't use microwave. That's frequency. Not frequency, that's radiation. You can't use microwave, Libra. Queen of Swords is clarified by the 5 of Libra. Me getting a you them attack. Me don't know where you me getting you take money from this Emperor to say something. Now Libra is white. Maybe you said something racist or racial. You said something very, me don't know. Like maybe you attack your own people. Me getting you said something very racial against a lot of black people, Libra. And me getting the black people, you them a come for. And you're saying, no, I was paid to say this. Me know, did you sell your channel? You sell your channel creativity and you sell your channel to this Emperor? Because me getting the Emperor controls what you say. Yeah, but the Emperor now give you security for walk with. The 7 of Wands is clarified by the 4 of Cups. Okay, and me getting half of the time you're saying this shit you drink. Do you re-watch your content? Or are you the type of actor that don't watch, after you perform, you don't watch yourself? That means a spell on you. You see, if you're an actor, if you're a performer, and you don't rewatch your if you rewatch your performance and you get sick, it's because a demon is there. Or you have been inhabited with a demon while you were performing. So either somebody put magic on you for demons to help you, or be getting you sell your soul. That's why anytime you watch yourself, you feel very, very cringy, or you feel vomity. Because ain't no way you're going to be somebody on TV or on YouTube with so much thousands of watchers, but when you watch yourself, you feel cringe. You're getting something dip on you, that's why. Seems like mirror magic. Are you getting drunk and looking in the mirror? The 6 of Cups is clarified by the 2 of Pentacles. Me getting you saying who should make the apology, who was right, who was wrong. It's kind of hard to tell when you're intoxicated. So just be mindful. The 6 of Pentacles is clarified by, hi Libra, that's you. That's you. The 6 of Pentacles is clarified by Libra. Now you're saying that if I was told to do this by my boss, whether it's legal or it's not legal, why me I gotta take the blame? Exactly. So a part of Libra is not only following instructions, is knowing when to not follow instructions. So now that your boss will put you in a problem for giving you instructions. Now when you're in a problem, you think the boss will bail you out? You think the boss will say, no officers, let her go, I'm the one who said it. You gotta take the fall. Libra. Yeah, them want you to take the fall feet. Them want you to be the enemy. The thoughts are really the emperors, but are you them are gonna make take the fall, Libra? I don't know what this. Me getting something in your house or release one frequency. And that's clarifying the Six of Pentacles. Did you sell your channel? Because I'm getting your buyout. I don't know if you have your and let me tell you, see if you have a channel, make sure say the channel is at least 15 years old before you sell it. Do not sell a channel under the age of 15. You hear me tell you? Do not. You don't sell a channel in year 5. You don't sell it, especially if you're consistent. Don't sell your channel in year 10. You have to wait until 15 years. And if you notice after 15 years your channel is reoccurring people and there's no growth, then you can sell it if you want to be a puppet. Or you start a second one, sweetie. Or a third. Or a fourth. One more. The Emperor is clarified by the Emperor. You start a second one. Where you sell the rights of your channel for? We have Emperor clarifying 2 times. Yeah, Libra. So what determines if you're an Emperor, Libra? Do you take advice or do you give it? And even though you're the justice in the face of an Emperor, do you tell the Emperor about his way? Do you become a mirror to the Emperor? And you tell the Emperor about his ways? You tell the Emperor, no, Emperor, this is not good. I am not going to take the fall for this. Or do you shut up because somebody's the Emperor? And you just want to be an Emperor, just like them. The Emperor is clarified by the Emperor. I'm getting in order for you to be respected, you must have respect for yourself. Nobody respects a puppet. Nobody respects somebody them can manipulate to say or do what they want to do. We have religious agenda. I don't know who you work for. It could be some Jewish people. We have political agenda. It could also be for politics. So not only are you working for a religious sector, you sell out to, but no, you work for a Jewish sector. No, you work for a political sector. No, Libra is liberals. But politics and religion don't mix. You know that, right? You can't mix politics with... We don't know what is. We have Aries. We have triple Aries confirming Libra. We have Aries. And again, we have you. You have Aries in your chart, Libra. Double Aries. Do you have a selected cross? Or I'm getting you have some type of placement that trines in, like you have 3 placements in an Aries. I'm getting something about an Aries placement. We have Leo. And we also have curse. I'm not sure if the curse is when you go around people that are more successful than you feel like following their orders is what to do to be in, because you don't want to get blacklisted by elite Aries men. But in order for you to be a boss, you gotta check a boss. So you want to be a boss among bosses, or you want to be a boss for yourself? Which one? Because if you're a boss among bosses, you might as well be an employee. Because these motherfuckers has been doing it longer than you. There's no way you can make as much money as them. So I'm going to leave it here. Libra. Until next time. Goodbye.